Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything health and wellness. Today we are doing a what I eat in a day on Nutrisystem with the 5-day Slim Balance box. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, I'm going to leave that linked up above, as well as all the Nutrisystem food videos are going to be in a playlist down below. We're at the park right now. So they're playing pirates. So since we're all out and about, they're having the time of their life over there, I decided that I was going to do one of the Nutrisystem bars today, so I could easily just take that to go. Oh, that looks yummy. It's really good. A very windy day. How you doing, kiddo? Yuri's eating your noodles too. Love you too, kiddo. What do you think? Yummy, Giddy? Yuri? I told you, Giddy. For lunch, I am doing mac and cheese. So white cheddar mac and cheese. So for this, I'm going to read off the calories and all that good stuff, if you guys are curious about it. 220 calories, 5 grams of total fat, 3 grams of fiber, and 10 grams of protein. It's a little bit crazy in this house today, so they're a little hyper over there, but that just means that I have some quiet time to eat my lunch and relax. So with this, I've already had it before, so I already know that I like it. It just tastes like mac and cheese. Oof, hair. Which is the reason that I chose this today. I don't know. I actually don't like mac and cheese or things like that as much anymore. I make it for the kids. I don't usually make it for myself, but every once in a while, if I go to Panera, I'll get some if I'm in the mood. And today, I was in the mood. In case you were wondering what I was going to eat for my veggies, I'm actually not eating anything for my side veggies, only because earlier I just kept snacking on broccoli and carrot sticks. So now I just don't really want any more right now. I should show that, but I forgot until after I already ate it. But that's what I ate, and then I will just show you guys what I'm having for dinner next. Okay guys, I'm about to show you what I'm gonna eat for dinner. However, first, I just wanted to share a sentiment with you guys. Make sure that if you're on your health journey, that you are being patient with yourself, you are being kind to yourself, and that you're being your own cheerleader. It's great to have others around us that can help push us up and kind of cheer for us, but we have to make sure that we are being patient and kind to ourselves throughout this journey. You are on your own timeline, and it doesn't have to happen at the same rate that it happens for other people, and it might not happen as fast as you'd like it. But again, you are on your own timeline, and if you make it there in a couple months, if you make it there in the next year, then you are still worth celebrating. Another thing that I mention quite a lot, and it's because I feel that it's really, really important, is finding the right community of people that are going to help you and push you and just be the best person that you want to be, and you're able to seek that extra encouragement with them on the days that you're struggling. For me, this was a game changer. So when I needed other moms to relate to, I joined a mom group, and then here on YouTube, when I've been trying to go through my health journey, I actually met a couple of other YouTubers too, and it's so different to have those specific friends that you feel really get you. Two in particular women that I feel like are amazing and I've been able to kind of grow with. One of them is Catherine May, and she was trying Nutrisystem before too, and now she just kind of does the health journey in a general, so I just felt like I could relate with everything that she was doing. And the second one was Pam Doneen, which is the same. She started off with Nutrisystem because she was trying to get herself back on track, and she just really cares about her health, and she's sharing her whole journey, and I got in touch with her, and she's just a beautiful person. So now every once in a while we talk, and it's lovely to have those kinds of people in your life. I'm actually going to insert a video clip that Pam actually sent me so that I can share on this channel, so go check her out, and then we will go to dinner.
My name's Pam Doneen, and Sandy was kind enough to invite me on to her channel to introduce myself. I started watching Sandy well over a year ago. I first started watching her channel because of her Nutrisystem videos, and that is what I'm concentrating on at this time. I've done videos on using vegetables to beef up your meals, what smart carbs and power fuels I use, how to get Nutrisystem for a very inexpensive price, and even a video on what I did for my Thanksgiving holiday meal to make it 100% on program and look just like the next person. So anyway, I do want to thank Sandy. I adore her. Super sweet that she let me do this. And if you want to check out my channel, it's under Pam Doneen. I know, really original. So anyway, I'd love for you to check it out. And it's amazing that I have a new friend because of YouTube. So I'm so blessed and thankful for that. Thank you.
For dinner, I have this Nutrisystem Savory chicken pot pie. It's 250 calories, 10 grams of total fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 12 grams of proteins. Not bad. Looks like it doesn't take long to make. We'll see what this looks like. Alright, so first opening this up, it looks like it comes, well, attached but separate. It looks like this is the inside of the soup for the chicken pot pie. And then the crust comes separate. And then I think in the instructions, it says it takes 45 seconds just to heat that up. You want to stir it, and then you want to reheat it with the crust on top for another 15 seconds. So this looks pretty simple and fast, so we'll see. So just side note, make sure that you open up the side a little bit to let the heat out so it doesn't explode on you. So I hope I'm wrong about this one, but I have a feeling I'm not gonna like this. I don't know why, it seems a little bit more microwave dinner than some of the other ones that are in some of the other packaging. I could be wrong, but the crust doesn't even really feels like overly hard. So I really hope that at least the crust is still crunchy, and I don't have high hopes. My standards are a little bit low, but I'm hoping for a miracle here. Okay, this is the crust. It's not too bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. The pizza crust was really bad. I didn't like it. It was like this weird, hard, whole wheat crust that you couldn't really bite into. But this one actually feels more like real crust. And this is what it looks like. Nothing fancy, but I was gonna say, is it anything like the box? I mean, I guess the box didn't lie. It just didn't show the whole picture. But yeah, I guess we'll just go with, how does it taste? Oh no, can I not break this? Oh yeah. I was gonna say, I really hope that, I feel like a really thick cracker. Okay, so the chicken pot pie is not terrible. It's actually kind of hard to, I don't know, to cut into. You'd probably need a knife. And if you didn't have one, you can sort of pick it up and just bite off of it. It's not super crunchy, like it is a little bit, but it's also really hard to chew. The soup itself actually tastes pretty good. It's really thick. It tastes like chicken pot pie. I just don't really like the crust very much. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about all these meals, if they looked gross, if they looked good, if they looked appetizing. If you guys are interested in 50% off Nutrisystem yourself, don't forget to check out the link below. Sometimes Nutrisystem runs their own discounts on their webpage, but my link ensures that when they don't, you get at least 50% off. And it has the extra added benefit of helping small creators such as myself, and I always appreciate it. That way I can make more content like this for you guys with no added cost to my viewers. Don't forget to check out Pam's channel because she has great content. Don't forget to check out my fitness merch store if you guys are ready to get exercising outdoors and want to wear something cute. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Mwah.